What do I like about being a Perimeter Ambassador? Three things. Being an ambassador has given me tons of leadership opportunities. I've been able to develop my communication skills, and I've been able to learn more about all of Georgia State's Perimeter campuses.
Hello, my name is Preville Olusegun Joseph. I love being a Perimeter Ambassador because I have been able to learn much more about myself through workshops and leadership activities, and have been able to work within a motivated and distinguished group, and that has enhanced my teamwork skills.
I love being a Perimeter Ambassador because of interactions we have through events with donors, faculty, and senior administration. I really enjoy being an ambassador because I feel like I'm part of a team.
Why did I become a Perimeter Ambassador? Well, there are lots of reasons. For one, it's great being around like-minded students who are motivated to succeed. I also love that strengths are emphasized and leadership, teamwork, and speaking skills are developed.